Namaste Guruji, how are you? Attend this wonderful function, but it is such a pleasure meeting so many of you over here. Thank you very much for giving us this respect, this honor. We are really indeed privileged because Shankar Ehsan Loy, we are going to be performing for the first time in Brisbane tomorrow. So we are really excited. It is a pleasure meeting Guruji over here. Guruji is here. Thank you so much for, besides also entertaining people when music becomes a mission of a sort where you address a particular cause and you're able to make a difference, that then it becomes a much bigger destination for music other than just entertainment. So I'm really honored to be with my brothers Ehsan and Loy, to be performing for the Ramakrishna Mission, because we know the kind of work that they do, the kind of impact that they have created all over the world. I am very excited to meet the audience of Brisbane. I heard that it's a fabulous auditorium. All those people, since yesterday I've been meeting all the volunteers who've been working selflessly for this cause. They are all, some of them are big professors, some of them are directors, some are scientists, but they've just selflessly contributed towards this wonderful cause. So it's really a humbling experience. I really hope that me, along with Ehsan and Loy, we are able to entertain you all to the amount, you all are all satisfied and happy, and you all have a time where we both remember this time that we are going to spend in Brisbane tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends, and people from Brisbane. And we're very happy to be here. We're very honored, and looking forward to performing for you and sending you some of our love on stage, and hope you'll send it back to us from the audience. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody is waiting over here. And as you all know, you come here for the first time in Brisbane. We Brisbaneites are looking forward to tomorrow. As Mr. Ashim Majumdar said, Brisbane Convention Centre is an iconic place for performers, and we are really privileged. Ladies and gentlemen, Shankar Ehsan Loy live concert tomorrow. A big round of applause for them, please. We will be continuing with our dinner. And
I'd just like to talk a little bit of just one thing that I forgot to say, that we as musicians and music composers, we keep traveling to different countries. Almost every day we are in a different country, different city. And mark my words, I don't say this in every country, what I'm saying now. The moment I've come here since yesterday, I've really fallen in love with your place, Brisbane. Trust me, I'm telling you. And I'm not trying to just, maska mara yulo or anything. I'll tell you honestly, 7 o'clock in the morning, I was already on the pier by the waterside. I went and I took a walk over there and I had my breakfast. I came back to my room. I rested for 1 hour. Then again I felt like walking. Again I went. Again I walked the city, came back, rested for a bit. Again I walked. So thrice today I've already taken a whole round of your city. It's such a beautiful place, beautiful people, beautiful vibrations. So heartiest congratulations, and I'm really happy to be part of this wonderful city. Looking forward to coming again and spending a beautiful holiday over here. Yeah.
have you visited Gold Coast?
I couldn't go to Gold Coast. My son is in fact waiting in Gold Coast for me today. I couldn't go to Gold Coast because I had to meet you all today. If I would have. Yeah. Otherwise, I know that once I go there, I'll be delayed and I can never come over here. So I know that. So next time, I'm going to see to it that I come and spend time with my wife, with my children over here, and then go to Gold Coast and spend a few days there. But anyway, thank you. I can already feel the vibration looking at Looking forward to meeting all of you all tomorrow.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be continuing with our dinner right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So they have some questions. Everybody answers? Yes, of course. They have already begun. Yes?
They have some questions. So
Alright, so I went around and I asked some questions and the audience had questions.
take about 3 or 4 questions. Huh?
Yes, no problem. Anybody from the audience would like to, only 2 questions we have? Raise your
Malayaliana.
hands, please. Raise your hand.
Well, after coming here, I realized that there is a huge Tamil community over here, and I also heard that there's a Malayali community also over here. So, but Shankar Ehsan Loy, normally it's a Hindi show, primarily it's a Hindi show, but how can I not satisfy my Tamil fans and my Malayalam fans? I will see to it that I sing a little bit of both languages, but obviously it can't be majorly a Tamil and a Malayalam. For that, you'll have to call me again.
Thank you. One more question?
Telugu also, I'll sing. Wow.
If I don't have Telugu song tomorrow, I'm going to come onto the stage and actually beg you.
I want you to scream Telugu and I'll sing for you.
And also definitely the Vishwarupam song, for sure.
Receiving the Padma Shri is a very, very humbling experience when you go there at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and you get it in front of the President, gives you the honor, and the Prime Minister and the entire governing bodies are there, big people are over there, and when you receive the award, that's when you realize how big this award is. It's not an award actually, it's for the work. It's not only for a film or a song that you've done, it's not recognition for that, it's a recognition for your contribution to music that you have done in your lifetime. So it's truly a humbling experience, and this Padma Shri I definitely like to dedicate to my 2 brothers Ehsan and Loy, and of course each and every writer, each and every musician, each and every singer, each and every person who's played instruments, right from a dholak to a tabla to a sitar to drums, who have played in our compositions. This award is dedicated to each one of them.
Thank you very much. And for the last question.
I'd like to ask you, I'm fascinated by how the whole movie is put together with the songs and everything. How do you put the emotion in song? For example, Tare Zameen Par, that's my song you sang. How do you visualize the scene would be like that? I mean, is it just explained to you, or because it seems like it just came from your heart?
You want to answer that? Actually we are more than music composers, we are music designers. We design music for a particular, as you were talking about Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par, Amir Khan, he was there in the studio and he narrated the entire experience of the song. He narrated the entire feeling the song is supposed to communicate, because he's not the lyricist or he's not the music composer. All he can do is he can tell that I want this. This is the feeling that the child is alone in the hostel, missing the mother. So it is Prasoon Joshi's ingenious piece of work, the lyrics that has written the song Ma, and of course, with our little bit of knowledge, we put together a tune. But I think we literally have to transport ourselves to that situation, live that particular situation, and try to communicate what the child is undergoing through music. And that's what a composition is all about. A composition can inspire you. This song Ma, now it's gone beyond the film now. Whenever there is a situation where anybody is remembering his or her mother, they like to sing or hear this song Ma. So it's gone beyond the film, which is a very, very big thing for us. Some songs, they have become milestones, like Kal Ho Na Ho, or even Ma, or right now in the film Razi, there's a song called Dilbaro, which is a relationship between father and a daughter. So these things are all Laksh, you can say, which is talking about Indian soldiers. So many of these songs, they have become landmark songs. So it's really an honor when these songs go beyond the film and they are just there to stay.
Yeah, it's amazing when I was promoting your show, and so many times.
You're an RJ. Okay.
Just totally amazing. Give a nice big cheers to you.
Thank you very
Thank you very
much.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a message from Mr. Shankar inviting you all for tomorrow's Brisbane Convention Centre event, Shankar Ehsan and Loy.
Well, I'd like to invite all of you all for tomorrow's concert. It's our first concert in Brisbane, and I can see there is a multilingual population over here. I'll see to it that I sing in all whatever languages I have sung, whether it is Hindi. If people want Telugu, I'll sing 2 lines of Telugu. If people want Malayalam, I'll sing 2 lines of Malayalam. If there is Kannada, I'll sing Kannada. If there is Gujarati, I'll sing Gujarati. If there is Marathi, I'll sing Marathi. So whatever is there, you'll have to request. I will sing. Please do come and enjoy the show because it's an occasion which we are going to remember, and I hope that you all remember too. Thank you very much, Ms. Bell.
Thank you. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for our
Sorry?
guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. You should call me for a Telugu show then.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Shankar and Loy. A big round of
Thank you
applause
very
for them, please. Thank you. Pleasure to see you tomorrow. नमस्कार भाई और बहनों, मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन रेड कार्पेट फंक्शन से। मैं यहाँ हूँ मीट एंड ग्रीट में, जहाँ पे शंकर एहसान और लॉय जी अभी मौजूद थे। उन्होंने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वगैरह किया और इतना बढ़िया इवेंट है। और हम यहाँ पे हैं दम एंड ड्रम के रेस्टोरेंट में। मेरे साथ बहुत सारे दर्शक हैं यहाँ पे जो बैठे हैं और अभी खाना ऑन्ट्रे ट्राई कर रहे हैं। मैं कुछ सवाल उनसे पूछूंगी, तो मुझे फॉलो करिए।
I think any artist from India comes, it is really, they are very high class. Somebody from that much of popularity to come up and shine is not a mean task. So we are actually lucky to have these kind of highly acclaimed musicians and a chance to experience their talent. What else can I say? Looking forward to tomorrow to enjoy his fabulous music. Thank you so much. My name is Prakash Menon. Thank you so much. Later on, if you give me a chance, I will sing a Hindi song also, maybe a bit later. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Prakash. Really appreciate. That was one of our guests over here, and we heard the actually message from him. मेरे साथ है तरुण। तरुण जो है वो 4 दोस्तों के साथ ये amazing restaurant open किया है, Dum and Rum. It's almost a year now.
Yeah, it's going to be a year next month. Yeah.
And what was the reason you started this, and what made you to gang up with all your friends?
So everyone actually finished. Everyone came here for studies. Then everyone finished their studies. Everyone had a passion for food. So that's why we came up with this plan. Yeah.
So what's the authentic dish you sell over here?
So that's what we are actually planning to, because the Indian food which we get out here, it's not the normal one. It's what you get is just the normal ones you get. So what we are trying to bring is the proper authentic food back from India. Yeah.
I've got Mr. Sanjay over here, Dr. Sanjay Ahmed से, and संजय जी, आपको ब्रिस्बेन का जो इवेंट कल हो रहा है उसके बारे में कुछ बात करेंगे?
काफ़ी बेसब्री से कल के इवेंट के लिए वेट किया जा रहा है, not only by myself but I'm pretty sure most of the Indian community. We are really looking forward to the event tomorrow because I think it's the first time we are having such a big event and in such a grand, I think it's a grand room that we are having in the Brisbane Convention Centre. So yeah, we are waiting to be made breathless.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you. मेरे साथ हैं यहाँ पे अमेजिंग लेडीज जो कल का बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रही हैं। तो मैं पहले शुरू करूँगी आरती से, और आरती, सोफिया और राजेश्वरी तीनों सिंगापुर से हैं आप? थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है, हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे।
Okay, yes, we are from Singapore, yeah.
और what about tomorrow's event? What can you tell about tomorrow's event? Are you guys looking forward to it?
We're going to rock. Yeah. We're going to rock with him.
It's going to be a fantastic show, I believe. Yeah. So.
I don't go on the stage.
वो पैग लगा के सब स्टेज में चले जाएंगे। That was our team over here at Dum and Rum. मेरे साथ हैं संजय जी और हीरो जी जो कि आए हैं मेलबर्न से। ये हमारे नेशनल प्रमोटर्स हैं शंकर महादेवन के शो के लिए, शंकर एहसान एंड लॉय लाइव कॉन्सर्ट। संजय जी, शो के बारे में बताइए।
शो के बारे में आई थिंक सुना ही होगा. आई थिंक शंकर महादेवन, एहसान एंड लॉय आर कमिंग टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड दे आर परफॉर्मिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन ब्रिस्बेन. और tomorrow we are performing in Brisbane evening, and then Saturday हम लोग जा रहे हैं Sydney, which is at Hillsong Convention Centre, and Sunday they are coming to our city, which is Melbourne, and we are doing the show in Melbourne Convention Centre. We all are very excited and looking forward to a wonderful evening.
थैंक यू सो मच. ये हैं हमारे नेशनल प्रमोटर्स जो कि ब्रिस्बेन, सिडनी, मेलबर्न, ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाइड में बड़े बड़े सितारों को लेकर आते हैं, जिनके वजह से हम यहाँ पे लोकल जो लोग हैं वो बॉलीवुड को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. नमस्कार भाई और बहनों, मैं हूँ रीना अगस्टीन और मेरे साथ यहाँ पे ब्रिस्बेन के बड़े लोग बैठे हैं. इसीलिए मैं थोड़ी सी नर्वस हूँ, लेकिन उनसे हम पूछते हैं कि शंकर एहसान लॉय के कॉन्सर्ट के लिए वो कितना बेसब्री से वेट कर रहे हैं. सो you will be there at the event tomorrow?
Well, sure. This is the first time Shankar, Ishan and Loy are coming to Brisbane, and it's a great occasion. Particularly it's happening in the exhibition place, Brisbane Exhibition Convention Centre. So it's a great thing, and we should all be there and proud to support the charity. The proceeds will go to the charity, so please, I request every one of you to join hands and join us, please.
Thank you. I've got the amazing representatives from Dosa Hut. It's my favorite place, and I've got Mr. Shri over here and the team who will be attending the event tomorrow. So tell us about tomorrow's event and what you're looking forward to it.
We are really excited, Shankar ji, Ehsan and Loy ji to be here, and we are looking couple of Telugu songs from him, and all the Telugu audience from Brisbane are eagerly waiting for his voice.